Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be filming how to make a ice cream sandwich out of clay. So this is how I have it organized. This is just how I like it. Special colors that you don't have a lot of: blue, greens, orange and yellow, reddish pink, and then just pinks and purples. Okay, so let's get started. So what I'm going to start off doing is just opening the packets, because first of all it saves time. I'm going to be using the basic tools, which is the knife and whatever you want to call this thing. So what you're going to want to do is first off come here and cut it so that you have two equal. It doesn't really have to be equal because you're probably going to cut some parts off, but first you just want to get some chunks off so that you have basically an ice cream sandwich. Well, that's staying. Okay. So then what you're going to want to do is make it into a ball by just rolling it in your hands. Okay, so I'm going to do that. So the reason you're rolling it into a ball is because then it's kind of smooth, so then you can squish it out. So then you can roll it like this. You don't really have to squish it out, that's just how I do it. So then you're just rolling it like this. So then you have this. Then you're just going to want to go put it together and squeeze it. So then you have this, so then you can just squeeze it down. So then it comes together, hopefully. And then you have just this. So that's going to be probably your first piece. I'm quickly just going to make it more just square/rectangular. Because unless you're going for like a circular sandwich, I'm going for the rectangular ones. So that cannot be rounded. Okay. So then what you're going to want to do is just put this like here. So then you have one piece. Then you're basically just going to do the same to this one, where you roll it out. Then you have this, so then you come here, put it together, squeeze it till it's connected, then just squeeze it out. So then, once you have it like here, you're going to want to move it up, like I did to this one. Then you're just going to want to make sure it's big, like that one. And if not, you're going to want to stretch it out and test it. You want it to be basically equal size. So then you put it like that. Then you can flip it onto this side. And put like holes in it every few spaces, so it looks like an ice cream sandwich. I'm pretty sure this is how an ice cream sandwich looks. Now do not say this is uneven, because I know it's uneven. So then what you're going to want to do after that is you're going to want to do the same to the other side. So this might take a little while, but it looks really good in the end. I will be showing my final product if you do not want to, if you want to basically see it when it's done before you do it, because I can find that some things look really bad or you just don't like how it looks. So it just depends on what your style of how it looks is you want, because you can always change how like you want it. Like I could make a cookie sandwich or something, and so yeah, then you might like it. So it just depends on what you would rather have. So then you're just going to want to take the white decently kind of thick, I guess. Then I'm just going to press it down. Okay. So then I'm just going to, if I have any extra parts like that, I'm just going to take extra and put it on. So then if you pick it up, you'll want to make sure none of it's like curling over the side. So you're going to want to come here and just cut this off. That might just be me, but it looks better in my opinion if you just cut it off. So then you smooth it out. Do the same to the other side. Make sure none of it's sticking out. Then if you flip it over, make sure it's all good. You can just take the top layer and stick it on. And then you're probably just going to do the same thing. So you just come here and cut it. So you're just going to want to go with however the ice cream sandwich is. Like you don't want to cut it from the side you're trying to cut it off. Because if you do, you might also cut off your ice cream sandwich. So, yeah. Then with the extra, I'm just going to do this. I'm going to make a very tiny ice cream sandwich just for fun. Because since it's really tiny, I could probably make it really fast. So you just take the extra that you cut off, smooth it out. If you need more, you can just grab more extra. This is probably going to be super small, but I mean, it is what it is. Then what you do is you come here. Just layer it on. Hope that you have enough white stuff. And if not, you can just go take it off from the other part. Then just come here, smooth it down. Then you have your mini ice cream sandwich. So then you have the big and the mini. I recommend just doing this where you take the wrapper and wrap it around it, the extras. So then you can just come here, stick it back. I do not have any extra black. Okay, it should cut to it being just baked. So, yeah, 3, 2, 1. But here it is. So it does look like an ice cream sandwich. This one's hand-sized. But overall, they look pretty good. And yeah. Well, that will be it for this video. See you guys next time. Bye!